Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to select saved items on the Gaia GPS application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the layer icon at the lower side, at the left side on the screen, and here you can find the third section, the saved items, and you can select, for example, tracks, routes, areas, waypoints labels, public tracks, and saved likes. And if you want to select one, just click that and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.